Assalamualaikum everyone. Today is maths lecture number 3 and today we'll discussing about comparing numbers. So when we compare numbers, we need to have some signs in front of us. Now this is the equals to sign, this, and this is the greater than sign, and this is the less than sign. Now we will check how. If there is a number in front of you and it's 18 and 18. So if we are comparing numbers, so which sign will come over here? 18 and 18, they are not less than or they are not greater, but they are equal to, because 18 is equals to this 18 and this 18 is equals to this 18. Now comes the greater than. There is a number which is 29 and there is another number which is 18. So which number is greater, 29 or 18? It's obvious that it's 29. So we'll use this sign. How we use this sign? Because this is the alligator mouth. Here the alligator mouth is opened towards 29, whereas here the alligator mouth is closed towards 18. That's why we call this greater than sign, and this 29 is greater than 18. Then comes the less than sign. Why less than sign? Because here the mouth is closed. Now we'll again take 18 and 29. Now while taking 18 and 29, we'll check that why we should not use this sign and why this. Here's 18 and 29. So which is smaller over here, or which is greater? 18 is smaller and 29 is greater. So what we'll do, we'll place this sign. Why? Because we'll check this number. If this number is 29, if this number is greater, so we'll place the alligator big mouth over here. Whereas if this number is over here greater than the given number over here, so we'll place the greater mouth over here. But over here, the number is lesser than the 29. Now we'll come towards the exercise. So this is the exercise. What's the exercise? That you use the greater sign, less than sign, and equals to sign to compare all these numbers. These are the signs given in front of you: equals to, less than, and greater than. Now we'll do the exercise. So we'll check the first number. It is that 64 and 23. Which is greater? It's obvious that 64 is greater. So we'll use this sign. So why? Because alligator mouth would be opened over here, whereas the alligator mouth would be closed for 23. Then comes 58 and 55. Which is greater? 58. So alligator mouth will be open for 58, whereas it would be closed for 55. Now it comes 32 and 96. Which is greater? It's 96. So alligator mouth would be opened for 96, whereas it will be closed for 32. Then again comes the next question. It's 27 and 40. It's obvious that 40 is greater than 27. So what we will do, alligator mouth is open for 40, whereas it is closed for 27. Then comes 51 and 51. What shall we do? 51 is equals to 51, whereas this 51 is equals to 51. So we'll use the equals to sign over here. Then comes 36 and 24. Which is greater? It's 36. Now alligator's open sign would be used for 36, whereas the closed sign would be used for 24. Then comes 28 and 29. Which is greater? It's 29. So alligator's open sign would be used for 29, whereas closed mouth would be used for 28. Then again comes 11 and 11. So 11 is equals to this 11, whereas this 11 is equals to this 11. So we'll use the equals to sign. Then comes the last question, and it's 78 and 99. So 99 is greater than 78. So open mouth alligator would be used for this, whereas 78 is less than 99. Okay, this is all for today's lesson. I hope you will understand the video very carefully and you'll be able to solve the questions of comparing numbers. Please like my channel, subscribe it, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon.